Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mylene Alves, 36 years of age, from Porac, Pampanga. I'm married with 3 children, 1 son, which is 7 years old. I have 2 daughters, one 10 years old and 3 years old. I have 3 sisters, ages 40, 38, and 24. I have 1 brother, aged 36. I finished college in Dr. Yanga School of Midwifery. I'm now a registered midwife. I've worked in an hospital way back in 1994 for almost 2 years. Then after that, I worked in Kuwait as a domestic helper with Al Nasser Al Tukim family. I've worked with 5 members of the family, my madam and my sir, and their children, ages 5, 7, and 10. And I've also worked in Philippines in 2000 up to 2002 with Josephine Carlos. She has 2 sons, ages 2 and 6. Yes.
Okay, very good. So why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money because I want to support my family and give my children the best education that I can give them.
Okay, so you want to work in Hong Kong. If you work there, so who will take care of your 3 children?
When I work in Hong Kong, my husband will take good care of my children.
Okay, good. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir. I know how to cook.
Can you name some? How about the Chinese food? You know how to cook?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. So, in the Kuwait, how many helpers in the house?
We are 2 helpers in Kuwait.
Okay. Can you tell me what were your main duties in the house?
My main duties in the house is taking care of the children and preparing for their foods. During my spare time, I help the other maids in cleaning the house, gardening, and cleaning the car, washing the car.
Okay. How big is the house?
The house is up to 3rd floor.
Oh, it's a big house, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know how to do the marketing?
Yes, sir. I know how to do the marketing.
Okay. So, how do you know the fish is fresh?
You will know the fish is fresh if it looks good and the eyes are not red.
Okay. You are a registered midwife.
Yes,
so
sir.
Can you tell me what are the most important things to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, sir. I take care of the newborn babies from birth. I give them bath, then change diapers. I also know how to give them vitamins, and I know how, if a child is not feeling well, I know how to take care of them, sir.
Okay. So if you feed the baby with the milk, how do you know the temperature of the milk is not too hot?
I will just put I will know if the milk is not too hot. I will just put the milk in my hands, sir.
Okay. If your employer, they are not at home and the baby has a fever, so what will you do?
I will take the temperature of the child. If the child is sick, he has a temperature of 37.5 and above, I will give him sponge bath. Then I will inform my employer.
How do you know the baby is sick?
If the baby is crying, always crying, not comfortable, or is feeling hot, sir.
What are the most important things to take care of the children?
The most important thing in taking care of the children is by talking to them, giving them the right food, giving them time, teaching teaching them what is good and what is not good, sir.
Can you tutor the children about
Yes.
the homework?
Yes, sir.
You can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how can you maintain the good relationship with your employer?
I can maintain the good relationship with my employer by following to their direction and instruction, sir.
Okay, and you must be honest also,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, are you afraid of the dog and cats?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay. Do you mind your day off will not be on Sunday?
Yes, I don't mind, sir.
Any day is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, thank you.